In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Security and Privacy. Now scroll again to tap on Device Unlock and Screen Lock. Following that, tap on one of those password types, numeric, alphanumeric or pattern, and wait 5 seconds in order to continue. Select Next, and if you change your mind, just click on Use a different password type and pick it from here. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. Then create it and repeat it. If you wish to add your fingerprint, hit Enable in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, just hit Cancel. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!